If you're ever scared, what type of person do you want to be with? When you personally are scared, what type of person do you want to be with? You want to be with someone who's confident and who's competent, right? They're going to lead the way. No problem. I've done this 100 times. Follow me. That's what you're trying to build as a real estate agent when you're marketing on Facebook, when you're showing a little bit about your persona that you're creating on Facebook. Very, very simple to do, and we've got a lot of agents that are doing it. Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, in this quick video, I want to talk to you a little bit about what you're really fighting as a real estate agent. The number one thing that you're fighting, which is obscurity, right? So if you're a real estate agent, you already know that even if you're really good at what you do a great job for your clients, they always love you when they work with you. The biggest problem you have is you're fighting obscurity, which means that not many people in the marketplace know who you are. That's the biggest issue for most realtors. Now, the problem with that is you can't spend millions of dollars to go market yourself as a real estate agent. First of all, having the capital, and secondly, knowing where in the heck to advertise yourself in the first place to get the results that you want to get. So the number one enemy of real estate agents in your marketplace is obscurity. Nobody knows who you are, what you offer, or why they should work with you. That's why agents are doing so well with their Facebook page, doing a Facebook Live, much like you see me do on a daily basis. They do a Facebook Live to get their message out there and do so for free. Now, once you find those messages that are working really well, you start to put a little bit of gasoline on it. You can put $5 a day on there. You're not going to do a boost post. You're going to do a very specific marketing campaign with those daily Facebook ads. So what we've done here, a lot of the agents that are in my Greg Luther Inner Circle program, they're getting coached on here's how you use your Facebook page. Here's how you go live. Here's what you can do if you don't want to be on camera. All of those factors, because it helps you in beating obscurity. And what you'll find is, even if you decide today you want to go live on Facebook, you may not have many people watching you, right? If you don't have a lot of followers on your business page and that type of thing, you may not have many people follow you, but you're doing it for you. You're creating a topic. I give them a long list of topics that they can talk about and things like that that are relevant to real estate that adds trust, authority, and credibility for you. You create trust, authority, and credibility within the marketplace. But you're not doing that for them at first. You're doing it for you because it allows you to discover your voice, right? To get your language down, to know what to do and say. And then what happens is you start getting a lot of people watching. You get a lot of people commenting. You get a lot of people saying, wow, this person really knows their stuff when it comes to real estate. It's the only agent in town that I'm following on Facebook and getting relevant, helpful information every single day. That's what you want to create for you as a real estate agent. Because again, it becomes you're the credible person in their mind. And I want to point something out to you. If you can do this and be nervous as can be the first time you do it, right? I always say your first one's your worst one. But being as nervous as you can be the first time, but a little better and a little better and a little better, what happens is over time, you become incredibly confident with what you're doing. And I think you'll agree, when somebody's buying or selling a house, they're scared, right? They're nervous. They don't know what to do. They're worried someone's going to take advantage of them. They're worried something won't be done right. Some of them are worried they're going to get sued, or they're going to buy the wrong type of house, or it's going to have tons of repairs needed, right? If you're ever scared, what type of person do you want to be with? When you personally are scared, what type of person do you want to be with? You want to be with someone who's confident and who's competent, right? They're going to lead the way. No problem. I've done this 100 times. Follow me. That's what you're trying to build as a real estate agent when you're marketing on Facebook, when you're showing a little bit about your persona that you're creating on Facebook. Very, very simple to do, and we've got a lot of agents that are doing it. Every single day, they'll do a quick Facebook Live. 3 minutes long, 4 minutes long, but it's building trust, authority, and credibility in that marketplace. The people that are following them start sharing it with others, and it just grows and grows and balloons up. And what happens is you become the celebrity realtor in your local marketplace. You're no longer fighting with obscurity. And the cool part about that, if you have a smartphone, It's free. It doesn't cost you money. So now you have to throw out all of the reasons that you can't become a top producing realtor. You don't need a bunch of money. You don't need a huge investment. You don't need a marketing degree. You don't need an assistant. You don't need any of that stuff. You have to fight obscurity by creating trust, authority, and credibility in the local marketplace. You can do that by simply going live every day on your Facebook page. We've got tons of agents that are doing it. I actually teach a lot of that inside Greg Luther Inner Circle. I know a lot of you that watch are members. And we actually have a call coming up here very soon, in just the next few days, I believe, concerning how you create fame, trust, authority, credibility in your marketplace, and do so by utilizing your very own Facebook page. I know you got one, so why not use it for profit? Why not do what I'm doing? Why not do what all the other agents are doing to actually turn a profit off of this stuff? So where I'll see, maybe 20 or 30 people watch our lives, and then we have thousands that watch it afterwards once it's posted. What are you doing to capitalize on those people? If you could take a circle around your home and a 20-mile radius, if you could get 5,000, 8,000 people watching your message, and you could do it for literally less than a penny per person, how valuable would that be to you and your real estate business? So a lot of times you'll see people comment, "Hey, Donna, thanks for joining us here today." You'll see people comment as to what you're doing in your local marketplace, or the message that you're putting out there, and they'll have their own feedback, and there'll be this little community that starts because of what you're doing in your marketplace. You're beating obscurity. You're showing them that you know what you're doing, and now you're not just another licensed agent. There's a difference in reasons that they would utilize you as a real estate agent. So let me ask you, are you using your Facebook page to generate closings? I'm not talking about likes or fans or friends. I'm not even talking about comments or conversations or meetings. I'm talking about closings. If you don't know how to do it, you've got to get on this bandwagon, and you've got to be making money from it while we can. It's not going to last forever, but right now it's the lowest hanging fruit in real estate sales, period. It's the best way to make money. You've got to get coached up on that. If you need some assistance on it, let me know. Reach out to us. I can try and get you as much information as possible. We'll talk a little bit about it on our Wednesday training. You can find some details on that, closingseverymonth.com. But feel free to reach out. If you got some questions about whatever it is on how you make money with this, there's so many ways for you to do it. It's your profit, not mine. You decide if you want to take action for yourself and beat obscurity so that people in your marketplace look at you as that credible realtor, not just another name or another face on a business card, right? So hopefully that's helpful for you. Go out there and sell some houses. If there's anything I can do, reach out to us here. You can always reach us at gregluthercoaching.com, and we'll plan on talking to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.